most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Hi, everybody. One day to go till the weekend. We start in Lancaster this morning. Things looking good. Now, there are some clouds around. We're going to get into that and maybe a few light showers, too. This is Hummelstown, the downtown. We can see some of the clouds that are overhead, and they're going to be with us here throughout the day. Temperatures are mild because of the cloud cover. Lancaster at 47, York 48, 50 in Lebanon and Wormleysburg this morning. Now, yesterday we only hit 63. If you remember, my forecast was 68. It never really got there because of the clouds. They really kept the sunshine from warming us up too much. Still, 63 is going to be the warmest temperature we see here over the next 7 days. We did pick up a trace of rain yesterday from some of those showers. Today, it's going to be hard to get out of the 50s, the low 50s, that is. Let's show you the drought monitor, which came out yesterday, and that dry air starting to expand. Even some moderate drought now for southern Franklin and southern Adams County. This extends to the east, and now that drier air pushing up into southern Dauphin and Lebanon County. I mean, this is going to be continuing to be a problem, I should say, through the next week or so without any significant rain. And you might be saying, well, here comes some showers, but you know and I know that it's not going to be a big deal today, and this is really the only rain we've had this week. A trace yesterday, probably only a trace today. These returns not giving me much hope that we're going to see much more than a few drops here this morning. Temperatures are in the 40s and low 50s right now. This is about where we were yesterday, a little bit warmer in spots. Not much, right? We started yesterday in the mid-40s and upper 40s that we can see. This is all really coming from a southern stream storm that's going to be giving some showers to the mid-Atlantic and the deep south. But for us, we're on the northern fringe of this. So if we can get any rain, we'll take it. It's just not going to be much. And then we've got some drier air getting set to push in here off to the west. So it's a southern storm, meaning most of the rain will stay to the south. We've got a weak front that's also going to help to steer this moisture eastward, and as it does, we get clipped with it. But I think by later today, we're going to be seeing clearing skies already. So a lot of clouds this morning. Even by lunchtime, there may be a shower or two around. But look at where the majority of the rain is. It's over Towson and Hagerstown and Baltimore and D.C. We're going to see clearing skies, though. By 3, 4 o'clock, we should get some sunshine. Now, of course, the sun's setting earlier, but I think a nice evening on the way for Friday night football playoffs. It looks good tomorrow. The Penn State game will be dry, maybe a few cumulus clouds. That's about it. Now, Sunday, there will be some overcast periods here during the day, but I think we'll see some peaks of sunshine as well, but no rain. It's another storm that's going to stay off to our south. So our wind speeds today, a little bit breezy here. Winds at about 10 to 15 miles an hour at times. And then tomorrow, slightly breezy from the north, but less so as we move into the weekend. The breeze less of a factor. So highs today really struggling to get out of the 50s, out of the 40s, I should say, into the low 50s. Tonight, we will dip into the 30s. It's going to be a chilly weekend, each morning starting near the freezing mark and then bouncing back slightly into the low 50s each day with more sunshine both Saturday and Sunday. Sunday's going to be the coolest day, though. We're going to be stuck in the 40s. See, here's Sunday and why we get some clouds, because this storm will track to the south of us. And then next week, once again, when we look at how the week shapes up, we don't really see any rain until the end of next week. And even that, not a significant amount, but some light showers move through Friday, clearing us out in time for next weekend. So today's forecast, stray showers, some clearing later in the day. Mainly clear tonight. That will lead to temperatures dipping down into the 30s. And here are the next 7 days of your life. Slightly breezy here the next 2 days. Tomorrow looks nice not only for the Penn State game, but also for Veterans Day commemorations. And then breezy next week as well, Monday and Tuesday. The one thing you'll notice on this forecast is that the chill is here to stay. It does stick around, although we maybe climb to near 60 again by the end of next week. But no rain in that 7-day forecast other than perhaps a couple of showers early today.
And we need it.
We'll take it. It's just not going to be much. Yep.
All right. Thank you, Brett. We'll be right back.